I look like I kill people for a living. Like, what is this? I look like I'm on my way to perform rituals.
Take it slow, bring it back, let them know, break it down to the flow.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So just like the title states, in today's video we're going to be doing a thrift haul. Yeah, that's right. So this year I intend to slay a lot. One of my resolutions for this year is to slay a lot, but on a budget, because you know, a girl is trying to save money. I'm trying to make sure that by the time I leave Accra, I've got money. Okay, if I'm going to my village today, I have money. But the economy is moving mad, you know. So I've been looking around, looking for like thrift place. I found a lot. Okay, and if you know me, you know that I've always been a thrift babe. I even have a video here. I'll link it here or here, just in case you've not watched that video. Go find it. I wish I was one of those people who thrift because they're trying to save the world, because they're trying to save whatever. I know. Unfortunately, I'm not. Okay, I thrift because I'm broke ass. I'm broke. Okay, I love shopping, but if I count the money I spend on clothes, I'm gonna go broke. Like, I wish I was, but I'm not. Okay, the truth is that I thrift because I'm broke. Well, not yet. I don't want to see those things with my mom. I thrift because I have not met my financial goals yet. Okay, I thrift because it's the easiest way for me to, like, you know, look bougie on a budget. And for a while I actually stopped, right? I stopped thrifting for a while because, you know, but I'm back. Okay, I'm back now, and I would say that every week, at least, almost every week, you guys should let me know if you're interested in it. Okay, I'm just saying, let me know if you're interested in it. But almost every week I will show you guys my thrift finds, because believe it or not, I like shopping. Okay, I love that. I love shopping, and the best way to shop and not kill ourselves, thrifting. The best part is that you don't even have to go to counter to get these things. It's online. By the way, I'll be linking everything in the description box, and I'll tell you guys the price as I go. Everything here ranges between 20 Ghana cedis to 50 Ghana cedis. And also, just in case you did not know, okay, I also have an online page where I mostly sell most of the clothes that I've bought in the past, or I've bought and I've used them for hauls but didn't have anywhere to go with them. I'm selling them on shop at Samira's Closet. I'll be linking it here, so go there, go check out the clothes. Please follow it and then go check it out, okay? And support your girl as well. It's really nice. And by the way, once in a while I give freebies as well, so go check it out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing is this particular top. Look at this gorgeousness, okay? I love it. I think it's absolutely cute. It's a Shein top, and I got it for 40 Ghana cedis. I was thinking about it, and I think maybe I bought it for too high. But what do you guys think? Is it cheap or is it expensive? This is how the back looks like. Not gonna lie, I love it. I think it's cute. The next one is this particular skirt. It's an all police skirt, and I got it for 42 Ghana cedis. Not gonna lie, I think this one was a fucking steal. I think I got it so cheap. Out of all the things I got, this is one of the ones that I feel like I literally got it for a bargain. Because what? Have you seen the skirt? If you know Opoli, you know what I'm talking about. This is the deal. Look at this goodness, man. Look at me in it. Okay guys, so the next one is this particular one. I think with this one, right, the only way you can see it properly is after I've worked on it. Now if you see it like this, I look like a grandma. Well, hold on. When you cinch it in a tiny bit, do you see the vision? I like the fact that you can actually wear it like this, but being me, I'm not gonna wear it like this. If you cinch in the waist and you add the fact that the collar is like this, mwah, chef kiss. Chef kiss. When I saw this on the mannequin, I was like, oh my god, I have to get it, because I think it's such an elegant dress. This is the kind of dress that you wear when you're like going on like a fancy date. This with heels, mwah, mwah, I promise you. I can't wait to style this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, do that by the way, because I'm gonna definitely style these on Instagram. But the color is like everything of this dress. The camera is not even do justice to it. But let me know, what do you think? I got this for 30 Ghana cedis. Let me know if it's worth it. This is how the back looks like. I really like it. I just have to get someone to, like, you know, alter it a bit, and you're gonna see me, man. You're gonna see the real me. I can't wait to style this elegantly. I'm so excited. So the next one is this black dress. Listen. Let me show you the back. This is the back. It has like this thingy going on here, and when I came, I was like, oh my god, this is basic. And I wore it, I'm like, oh, this is stunning. Listen, if you see me wearing this in town, would you know how much I got it? Do you want to know how much I got it, by the way? You guys, this was 30 Ghana cedis, and I freaking love it. It's stunning. You know, it's that basic dress that you just need, that when you wear, you can actually make a statement from. Now, this is already tight, but knowing me, I'm still gonna go alter it because I wanted to snatch the F out of me. I'm not even sure where I'm gonna take it to, but I'm gonna wear it, okay? And I'm gonna look snatched in it. Anyway, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Is it worth it? Is it one of your favorites yet or not? So the next one is this particular dress. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, right? But there's this like slit-like thing here, and this is basically how the dress looks. It has 2 pockets here. That's really cute. This is like one of those bougie but very simple. You can't tell if she's rich or broke or whatever kind of dress. I really like it, and it also reminds me of SHS. It reminds me of school, but I really like the fact that it's like just like khaki and check and all those things mixed. I love it. I got this for 30 Ghana cedis as well. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? This is how it looks. I think I can totally wear it like this, but being me, I think I might still alter it a bit, just a tiny bit. I don't know, what do you think? Should I just leave it like this or alter it? I'm not even sure yet. Look, if I alter it just a bit, it cinches my waist in. But let me know, what do you think? Should I leave it like this or alter it? It's below the knee, way below the knee. If you guys can see, I hope you can. It's a nice dress and I like it. What do you think? So the next on the list is this orange cover up. I think it's super cute. This is how it looks on. Just gonna wear it on top of this. I think this would be perfect for like a bikini cover up, or on those days where you just wear a crop top and you want to cover it up a bit. This is nice. What do you think? It has like this gold detailing at the tip, which is really cute. But this is how it looks like. It's very simple and very see-through. The only part that's not see-through is the back. The rest of it is just like see-through. But it also has this thingy here where you can just like fold it and make the arms shorter than it already is. It's not that longer anyway, but just in case you want to make it shorter, there's that option as well, which is not bad. The color is really rich. The camera is not even doing justice to it, so I like it. I think this is a good buy, but it was also 30 Ghana cedis. So let me know what you think. Do you ever just like impulsively buy something and as soon as you buy it, just like, what the hell did I do? This was me when I got this dress. With thrifting, right, you have to like always be fast because like everyone else is trying to get them, right? So I was like, oh, this is a cute dress. As soon as I bought it, I was just like, oh my god. And when it came, I was just like, oh my god, Samira, I look like, you know, one of those Karishika movies, like one of those witches. I don't even know how to explain it. This looks so bad. Show these things. What is this? What is this? The dress itself is not bad. The dress itself, I think, is very cute. This is the dress, but this is just so, I don't know, so like auntie's vibe. Oh my god, it looks so bad. I think if it was just like the red, maybe it might not be as bad. But with this red, it just looks like I'm going to a funeral. What the hell is this, man? What is this? Anyway, no money is gonna go wasted because I'm gonna like make sure that I find a way to make this look good. I think if I take these off and then maybe, I don't know, maybe I find something nice to like fix this part and then cinch the waist in a bit, I think it will look stunning. Look. It will look very nice. Not gonna lie, I look like a ritualist, you guys. I look like a ritualist. I look like I kill people for a living. Like, what is this? I look like I'm on my way to perform rituals. I don't know what I was thinking when I got this, you know. Also, I got it for 30 Ghana cedis, but I'm not gonna throw this dress away. I promise you guys, I'm gonna like style it very nicely. So follow me on Instagram if you don't do that already, because I'm definitely gonna style this to suit me. And maybe people on Instagram might not even know how much I got it for, but for now, you guys should laugh at me because I look like a ritualist, you know. All that's left is for me to do this. Wait, let's try it out. You know, like Korean movies when they go to like all their like whatever, this is how they do it. That's what I look like. I legit feel like a ritualist. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me see if I can. Nope, nothing works. What am I supposed to do with this? Run around with it? Not gonna lie, I'm disappointed in this one, but we move. Okay, I can still do something with it and I can't wait to restyle it. I can't. Okay, so follow me. So there's this particular one as well, and I bullshit, you know, this is actually my favorite of all the clothes. This one, it speaks elegance, it speaks style, it speaks class. Unfortunately, it's slightly bigger than me. It's literally bigger than me. It's like this big, but that's okay. We can fix it. Also, I like the fact that there's like a hook in here where you can just like hook here. I think it's a good idea. Maybe I should do this for all my clothes. Just hook it. Come on, don't embarrass me in front of Rihanna. You hook it here and then it covers your everything, so it doesn't matter what you do. I think you show it. I love it so much. You can definitely rock this with a belt. I've already worn this out, by the way, just in case you're wondering. Let me turn off this light so that you can see it properly. The last time I wore it out, right, I went to the Forest Brew to change money, and then the guy was like, oh my god, I love your outfit so much. And then I think he gave me like 10 cedis extra because it was like, you look so cute and your outfit is absolutely nice. He didn't try to take my number or anything, he just liked my outfit. I call this my lucky dress. It is so pretty, it's so cute. And if you add a belt to it, it's just stunning. And I'm going to alter this as well because, you know, I'm the queen of altering. But apart from that, what do you think about this? Let me show you how it is. It's flowy here, very flowy. Let me turn on this light again. The number of compliments I've had on this dress, stop. And I think I got this one for 25 cedis or 20 cedis, and that blew my mind. So I'm like, next one is this particular dress. So what drew me to this particular one was the color. I like it so much. I was like, oh my god, this is lovely. And I had a feeling that it would be very short, so I was like, you know what, even if it's short, I can just wear it in the house. But now that I've got it, these are the kind of clothes I hate the most. You know, the ones that always has like the inner peeking through. This is it. Like, I can't stand such clothes because it makes you look very unkept and so unorganized. But look at the color of this and how cute it is. I think maybe I can do something about it. If I can do something about it, then I will definitely wear it at home. But if not, I probably have to give it away. So what is this? Why is this folding like this? I hate this. It's supposed to be like this, okay? It's supposed to be like this. So if it starts folding, it just gives cheap vibes, and I don't like it. But this is it, man. What do you think? I got this for 30 cedis as well. This was one of the instant regret ones. As soon as I was just like, oh my god, why did I do this to myself? Why? But the color, in terms of the color, I think the color is winning, and we can definitely wear it at home. We can definitely wear it for like when we are cleaning or just like, you know, fixing up everything. Okay, so what do you say? Anyway, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll tag all the items below, and now also, you know, these are thrift clothes, so you might not find the same things. But when you go to thrifts at these places, tell them I sent you, okay? They don't know about me, they don't know that I'm putting them out there, but tell them this is so that next time if I go to buy something, they'll give me a discount. If they don't give me discounts next time, it means you didn't tell them that you bought it for me. Don't be that person. Anyway, the 30 ones, I got them from Shop by Blima. I'll tag them or leave in the description box. And the other one, I think I got them for a different place altogether. I'll put everything in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys want this kind of videos as well, where we can just like find places where we shop on a budget. So every week I'll do a video on it. Okay, it means I'll look for all these thrift places and I'll spend my coins on them. And don't forget to go follow my thrift page as well, okay? They have very good stuff at affordable prices. Until next time, I love you guys so much, and bye.